Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to talk about song. There are some reasons why many people use song to learn English. First, songs are authentic material. If we want to learn English, we should listen to English song. Second, English song also contain culture and history. The reason is that songs certain repetition enhance learning. The next reason is it's a good way to learn vocabulary and pronunciation. And last, English songs are fun and they can easily energize the listener. The song I will explain is Rocks and Gems and Minerals. Do you know that the content of this song? If you don't know, let me explain that. First, I will explain about rocks. Rocks are made up of one or more minerals. For example, granite, a common rock, is a combination of the minerals quartz, feldspar, and biotite. The earth outer solid layer, the lithosphere, is made of rock. Rock has been used by humankind throughout history. The minerals and metal in rocks have been essential to human civilization. Three major groups of rocks are defined: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rock, derived from the Latin word ignis meaning fire, is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. This magma may be derived from partial melt of pre-existing rocks in either a planet's mantle of crust. Typically, the melting of rock is caused by one or more three processes: an increase in temperature, a decrease in pressure, and a change in composition. The scientific study of rock is called petrology, which is an essential component of geology. Sedimentary rocks are formed at the Earth's surface by the accumulation and sedimentation of fragments of early rocks, minerals, and organisms, or as chemical precipitate and organic growth in water or sedimentation. Metamorphic rocks are formed by subjecting any rock type, sedimentary rock, igneous rock, or another older metamorphic rock, to different temperature and pressure condition than those in which the original rock was formed. This process is called metamorphism, meaning to change in form. The use of rocks has had a huge impact on the cultural or technological development of the human race. Rocks have been used by human or other hominids for at least 2.5 million years. Later technology marks some of the oldest and continuously used technologies. The mining of rocks for their metal ore content has been one of the most important factors of human advancement, which has progressed at different types or different rates in different places, in part because of the kind of metals available from the rock of a region. That's about rocks, and the second I will explain about minerals. A mineral is naturally occurring chemical compound, usually of crystalline form and not produced by life process. A mineral has one specific chemical composition, whereas a rock can be aggregate of different minerals or mineraloid. The study of mineral is called mineralogy. Minerals are distinguished by various chemical and physical properties, and differences in chemical composition and crystal structure distinguish the various species, which were determined by the mineral's geological environment when formed. Change in the temperature, pressure of bulk composition of a rock mass cause change in its mineral. Within a mineral species, There may be variation in physical properties or minor amounts of impurities that are recognized by mineralogists or wider society as a mineral variety. And for example, amethyst, a purple variety of the mineral species quartz. Minerals can be described by their various physical properties, which are related to their chemical structure and composition. Common distinguishing characteristics include crystal structure and habit, hardness, color, strength, and etc. Mineral cycle is biogeochemical and ecological process that regulates the flow, distribution, and migration of mineral nutrients across the Earth's surface. There are two main types of minerals, silicate and non-silicate. Silicates are minerals that have silicon as a component, and non-silicate is minerals do not have a silicon. Okay, that's about minerals, and the third I will explain about gems. A gemstone also is called a gem, fine gem, jewel, precious stone or semi-precious stone is a piece of minerals crystal which in cut, polished form is used to make a jewelry or other adornments. However, certain rocks such as lapis lazuli and opal and occasionally organic material that are not minerals such as amber, jade, and pearl are also used for jewelry and are therefore often considered to be gemstone as well. Most gemstones are hard, but some soft minerals are used in jewelry because of their luster or other physical properties that have aesthetic value. Rarity is another characteristic that lends value to a gemstone. Apart from jewelry from earliest antiquity, English gem and hard stone carvings such as copper, major luxury art forms, a gem maker is called lapidary or gem cutter. A diamond cutter is called diamantaire. Many minerals from beautiful crystal, but the most prized of all are gemstones. Uncut gems often look fairly ordinary like rocks. It's only when they are cut and polished that they obtain the brilliance and luster that give them their value. Historically, gems have been divided into precious and semi-precious classes. There are a number of semi-precious gems, many quite beautiful, but diamonds, rubies, sapphire, and emerald continue to qualify as precious. At one time, amethyst was also considered a precious gem, but large reserves were later found in Brazil, reducing its value. Precious gems are formed in different ways and composed of different materials, meaning their appearance vary vastly. Diamonds, made of carbon atoms, are the hardest natural substance found on Earth. Rubies are formed of a minerals called corundum, comprised of aluminum oxide. And the third is emerald, are formed of a mineral called beryl, whose chemical formula is a complex mix of beryllium, aluminum, silicon, and oxygen. Minerals and gems are classified by their physical properties, including hardness, luster, color, density of magnetism. They are also identified by the ways in which they break or the type of mark or streak, and they leave when rubbed on a laboratory tool called a streak plate. Okay, that's all about explaining about my song. Thank you and see you.